the secret of life is?
No, what?
This.
Your finger?
One thing. Just one thing. You stick to that and everything else don't mean shit.
That's great, but what's the one thing?
That's what you gotta figure out.
Gotta drive all these horses here. The cows right here.
The horse is the paint horse. This sorrel horse out here, guys. They are subject to kick, okay? The only reason they're gonna kick is because you get another horse too close. About something, okay? And if she, she looks like this over here. Somebody on this side, a little bit close to you. Just say, hey, give me some space, all right?
That's it. It's a pretty aggressive rattlesnake.
One calls up on my horse, he can have that horse, okay?
Yeah, exactly.
I'm gonna be jumping off, okay?
Country rattlesnake.
Go. There's Dusty here. There's a good looking equestrian person. That's getting fitted. Mark's paying good attention there. Just like the Beamer. Me and Molly. Herding these cows. Dan's out here somewhere. Not sure where. It's beautiful out here. Here's two cowboys right here, boy. Howdies. It looks like we have Mark having a standoff over here.
That's an alignment problem. I have to take it someplace to get the alignment. Right?
There's Tom over here, looking good.
The guy's hungry.
There's Mark again. There's Dusty way out there. And here we go. Sorry for the bumpy ride, guys. So there's it. I think Matt is texting and driving right there. Looking good, looking good.
I'm just checking my email.
Just checking anyway. Bringing the herd in. Doing a fine job out there. Some two good looking cowboys there. There's Cowboy Patton over there. Dusty and Dan bringing them in. We're heading over to this corner. There's a cowboy.
Yeah. Straight down this fence line.
Doing a good job. Very cool. Dan, some of the cows and maybe some of the riders don't always make it back. Here we go. Here we are, bringing them into the pen. It's our destination, it's our goal. They are noisy animals. There's that cowboy Todd Whitthorne.
Whole lot of Big Macs.
All right. Now.
Cowboy Dusty and Cowboy Todd. Trying to get the cows free. Cowboy Dan. Come on, Dan. Dan's in the middle of the pen. Here he goes. Here he goes. They don't seem happy.
Don't let him by there.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 1 hour of work. We got all the calves over there and all the cows over there. Being a cowboy is hard work. Good job, Matt. You're a good cowboy. We did good.